Introduction. Hello and welcome back to our channel on making money online. Today, we're going to talk about a potentially lucrative area that you may not have considered yet: podcasts and audiobooks. With the growing popularity of audio content, there are more opportunities than ever to monetize your voice and knowledge. So, let's dive into how you can start making money with podcasts and audiobooks, step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in creating a successful podcast or audiobook is to choose a specific niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from personal development to technology, or from true crime to sports. By narrowing down your focus, you can build a loyal audience that is interested in what you have to say. Plus, advertisers are more likely to want to work with you if you have a specific target market. Step 2. Plan your content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content. Think about what your target audience wants to hear and what you can offer that is unique. You might want to start by researching other podcasts or audiobooks in your niche to get inspiration. Make sure you have a clear idea of the format of your content, whether it's interviews, storytelling, or a mix of both. Step 3. Invest in quality equipment. To produce high-quality audio content, you'll need to invest in some basic equipment. This includes a microphone, headphones, and editing software. You don't need to break the bank, but it's important to choose equipment that is reliable and produces clear sound. Remember, your listeners will expect a certain level of professionalism, so don't skimp on quality. Step 4. Record and edit your content. With your equipment in place, it's time to start recording and editing your content. Find a quiet space to record, free from background noise and distractions. Be sure to speak clearly and at a consistent volume. When it comes to editing, you can use free software like Audacity or GarageBand, or invest in more advanced tools like Adobe Audition. Edit your content carefully to remove any mistakes or pauses and to improve the overall flow. Step 5. Publish your content. Once your content is recorded and edited, it's time to publish it. You can upload your podcast or audiobook to platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Audible. Make sure you have a clear description and cover art that will entice listeners to click play. Promote your content on social media and through other marketing channels to build your audience. Step 6. Monetize your content. There are several ways to monetize your podcasts and audiobooks. One popular method is through sponsorships or advertising. You can work with companies in your niche to promote their products or services on your show. Another option is to offer premium content or exclusive episodes to your listeners for a fee. You can also monetize your content through affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding. Step 7. Grow your audience. To make the most money with your podcasts and audiobooks, you'll need to grow your audience. This means engaging with your listeners through social media, email, or even live events. Encourage your audience to leave ratings and reviews, which will help to boost your visibility on platforms like Apple Podcasts. Collaborate with other podcasters or influencers in your niche to expand your reach. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with podcasts and audiobooks. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful audio content business, but with dedication and hard work, it can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. By choosing a specific niche, planning your content, investing in quality equipment, recording and editing carefully, publishing your content, monetizing it, and growing your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream from your voice and knowledge. With the growing popularity of audio content, there's never been a better time to start your podcast or audiobook journey. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and turn your passion into profit.